Papa, and you need to confine it to Tata and Mama.
Open up, man.
And Papa, can you get me the charger? I need tablet.
No. No, ta mag-play tablet because we're traveling, man. What? Not yet pa ta mag-play tablet. Because we're traveling, man. Did you know that we're traveling?
Papa, next time in the Minecraft, I'm gonna build. Don't touch the void in Minecraft.
Really?
Yeah, you are not in flying mode, and I am in flying mode. Right?
What? Don't touch the what?
Don't touch the void,
The void.
but you can touch the diamond blocks because those diamond blocks are the staircase.
Yes.
But there's a lot of traps will push you over.
Lobat na day?
The piston traps, the lever traps,
Mapalong naman nagkamatigod.
and also the arrow traps. Right?
Yeah.
And there's gonna be more. There's a lever there, and then there's a lot of TNT very far away, and you won't see it. And then you'll see smoke, and you will see. You're gonna hear a big boom, right?
What are you talking about?
A trap, but a diamond staircase.
What game is that?
Minecraft. I'm building it in the void. I'm building it in the void. I'm building. I'm building. I'm building.
You're so noisy.
I'm gonna touch the snake and put the snake in my magnet.
Why?
Like that. And peace. And
Are you noisy?
the snake
We're
is
noisy.
very loud. And it's gonna roll over me. I'm gonna go.
I called you.
But it's not, girl. The snake only pictures. I'm gonna touch a bird. I'm gonna put the bird here.
Pero nga English dia be.
Papa.
Cicej will not understand if you don't English.
Let's picture with Papa. Picture.
That's video, man.
Hey, peace, peace. Like this, like with your.
Mama to Tata. Papa, and you need to confine it to Tata and Mama.
If I will combine it, Papa's secret is guapo, Mama is pretty, and Tata is pooping. How about what's your secret? Can you tell a secret?
I wash my hands and my poop.
No,
Right?
right?
I wash my hands and poop.
Are you ready to see crocodile?
Yeah. But is it dark?
No.
Ready?
Let's go.
Not good for kids.
Why it's not? Why?
Because
There's a lot.
That's why they Yusuka almost.
we also got
Use go. You point the P side. Where's the?
you almost washed my face. I did not. You just almost washed my face.
What? Ang saon? Mag ano na ta? Mag binidyohay.
Car? Stop that.
Oh, Tata, you
The car. Pinisat ta magano dito, no? Picture. What's that one? What you want to eat? Soft drinks. Soft drinks. Soft drinks mo? Ah, tubig. Yakult.
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 Okay, Yakult.
What happened? What happened? Tara lang oh. Ngaon mi diri ron. Kain. What do you want to eat? Do you like it here? Barbecue. Ano sinugbo lang dito? No? Dam daw. Nasa bowl ba? Abi, wala po nasa bowl. Pero murag dili naman nila serve ito.
Three
Nasa
orange,
bowl ba?
4 orange, 5
Itong combination of mga pork,
Minta. Oh.
O, paano daw, iwan mo sinugba ka baboy?
Wala man? Wala ba eh? Wala na, nakutahanan ako eh.
Sana ka? Ilasan ka?